While most of the people are busy in dreaming of purchasing plot on moon, we are busy to explore how moon was formed and if our art ever had a moon or two moons. Yeah, you heard it correctly. Art might had two moons in the past. Well, in this video, you will get all the answers that building up curiosity in your mind. While scientists are working hard to make a spacecraft to land earthly people on the moon, two people have a relatively easy task of subscribing this channel to get notified about more such interesting topics. Our Earth was formed about 4.6 billion years ago, when a cloud of gas spun out from the sun due to a supernova explosion and became hard enough with time to form a planet with its own gravitational force. But what about the moon? How it was formed? The answers are still a mystery for us. According to some scientists, there existed a hypothesized ancient planet called Theia. About 4.51 billion years ago, Theia planet collided with the Earth, and the impact was so massive that the outer rocky shells of both Earth and Theia were exploded into a disk of debris around our planet. These debris combined together to form the moon. Most of Theia's matter ended up as part of the moon, and the iron core that Theia may have had was absorbed by Earth's own core. This hypothesis is named Giant Impact Hypothesis. But the question is how the collision between the Earth and Theia occurred. The Giant Impact states that Theia orbited the Sun almost along the orbit of the proto-Earth or the initial stage of the Earth by staying close to one another. Theia's orbit was eventually disturbed away by the gravitational influence of Jupiter or Venus, or both, resulting in a furious collision between Theia and Earth. Eventually, the moon was captured by Earth's gravity and the moon took its birth. According to one version of this hypothesis, Theia was the twin brother of Earth, about the size of Mars, with a diameter of about 6,102 km. This hypothesis might be true, as samples of lunar rocks reveal that the moon and Earth have very similar ratios of isotopes. Even the ratio of oxygen 16 to oxygen 18 is about the same in the moon as in Earth, and surprisingly, the findings revealed that no other major bodies in the solar system are that similar. Some evidences published in 2019 proposed that much of the Earth's water originated on Theia. Initially, the hypothesis states that after the collision took place, the ejected debris of both the proto-Earth and Theia forming one body that became the moon, or forming two moons that again collided to form one moon which we see today. And it is how the scientists believed that the Earth actually had two moons. According to them, the tidal forces from Earth compelled both the moons to migrate outward, and as soon as they reached about one-third of the moon's present distance, the sun's gravity unstable their orbital dynamics to be collided, forming only one moon. Since both the moons were in the same orbit, the collision occurred at a relatively low speed. Kian Yuan, a geodynamics researcher at Arizona State University, said that the remains of Theia is still inside the Earth, probably located about 2 continent-sized layers of rock beneath West Africa and Pacific Ocean. Seismologists call these layers large low shear velocity provinces, which supports the Theia collision theory. However, the Theia mystery still needs a lot of research to find a compact evidence which may take more years. NASA once again put its interest on landing astronauts on the lunar surface by 2024 with its Artemis program. Till then, we can continue our dream of living on the moon. Thank you, and do watch my other videos, subscribe my channel and keep on enjoying exciting contents.